Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread halwa with breadcrumbs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of ghee, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Also, have 1 cup of milk, a pinch of cardamom powder, and your favorite chopped nuts ready. This simple dessert comes together quickly with these basic items, perfect for a sweet treat. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium-low heat. Once the ghee is warm, add your breadcrumbs. Stir them continuously, toasting until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become fragrant. This step is crucial for developing a rich flavor and a delightful texture for your halwa. Don't rush it. Patience here pays off. Once your breadcrumbs are perfectly toasted, it's time to bring the halwa together. Carefully pour in 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir well to combine everything. Now, add a pinch of cardamom powder for that classic warm aroma. Continue to cook the mixture on low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, your delicious bread halwa is ready to be enjoyed. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish generously with your favorite chopped nuts, such as almonds or cashews. This adds a lovely crunch and enhances the presentation. Serve it warm for the most comforting and flavorful experience. It's a wonderful treat for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals we've gathered for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.